Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing my Christmas decor and decorating. Here is some of the Christmas decor that I'll be using in today's video. This video is part of a collaboration that I'm co-hosting with one of my beautiful sisters here on YouTube, Cheryl of Miss Cheryl's Place. Cheryl and I are co-hosting the Christmas Decorations Unboxing Challenge, and it's an open invitation. And all we're asking you guys to do is to unbox some of your Christmas decor and decorate a space in your home, or you can share a family heirloom or one of your favorite holiday recipes, or even a shopping haul. Right now, guys, I'm just cleaning off my accent table. This is the table that I'm going to use to decorate with some of my Christmas decor. So I'm just cleaning off the table and preparing it to set up my decorations. So I'll be back at the end of the video, guys, to give you a closer look so that you can see how everything turned out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, friends, my decorations for this table is complete. On the top shelf of the table here, I have my angel, and this angel is actually a tree topper, but I've decided to just put her on my mirrored tray. And then I have my poinsettia garland wrapped around the tray and around these beautiful candles here, these flameless candles. And I think that actually turned out really nice with the poinsettia garland. And then down on the second shelf of the table, I have my glass church. And when you turn it on, it has the beautiful snowflakes glittering around inside. And then I have my gold reindeer. That church is just sitting on top of a gold charger, and I placed my two reindeer right next to the church. And down on the bottom level of the table, I have another gold charger, and on top of that I have this beautiful candle with the holly and berries around it. And then I have my Christmas candles in red and one in green. And they're just sitting on top of little cupcake stands, actually, is what they are. But I do like the way that this turned out. It's very festive, and I love the golds and the reds and the just a bit of green there to bring everything out. And I really love that poinsettia garland. But I'm pleased with the way everything turned out. And I want to take this time to thank Cheryl for co-hosting this collaboration with me. Don't forget, guys, there's a playlist associated with this challenge, with this collaboration. And the playlist will be down in my description box. Please go over and check out all of the participants on the playlist. I'm so glad you guys stopped by today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed and hit that like button. I hope that you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to always live your life to the fullest every day. And I will see you guys soon in the next video.